So tan A is equal to cot B, and we have to prove A plus B is equal to 90. Again, we have to use the properties of complementary angle, tan and cot. So whatever given, first write that one, that tan A is equal to cot B. This is given. A and B are complementary angle. So either convert tan or convert cot. दोनों में से एक को convert करो. So tan as it is. In the place of cot, just write tan. BN. So tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So cot B means tan 90 minus B. Okay. Now either side of equal to sign tan both cancel. So A is equal to 90 minus B. Now B negative this side. So whenever it comes to the left hand side, it will become positive. B is equal to 90 degree. हो गया bro? Hence sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20. Sec 4A is equal to cosec A minus 20. A minus 20 degrees. Where 4A is an acute angle. Find the value of A. 4A acute angle है. We have to find value of A. Simple है. करो. Do it. क्या करेंगे पहले? चलो कौन हेल्प करेगा मुझे? ऑनलाइन वाला कोई हेल्प करेगा?
सर मैं हेल्प करूं?
हाँ.
सर sec A is equal to 4A is equal to cosec minus A minus 20. सर तो फिर 4A minus 90 is equal to cosec. सर 4A minus 90.
Why 4A minus 90?
सर क्योंकि ये फॉर्मूला गिवन है.
Minus 4A, 90 minus 4A, whatever value you have to subtract from 90. 90 में से subtract करना है, 90 में वो नहीं subtract करना है. So in the place of sec and cosec complementary. तो sec की जगह पे क्या करो? Cosec.
Cosec.
Sir, A is 22.
Cosec, that one is the 90 minus 4A. And here cosec A minus 20. Cosec cancel. So 90 minus 4A is equal to A minus 20. So minus 4A that side. 90 minus 20 become plus 20 this side. And A plus 4A. So this become 110 and this become 5A. Correct? 5 multiply. Shift this side to 110 divided by 5 is equal to A. 5 ones are 22. So A is equal to 22 degrees. Solve. If A, B, C are interior angles of triangle, these are three angles of triangle. Okay, and we have to show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. ये प्रूव करना है. So LHS and RHS से प्रूव करना पड़ेगा आगे. Proof. So take LHS is equal to sin B plus C divided by 2. Sin को cos में कन्वर्ट करना है. Cos. तो sin को cos में कन्वर्ट करना है. Cos 90 minus theta. तो theta क्या है यहाँ पे? B plus C by 2. This is theta. Just write cos. Then 90 minus this is B plus C divided by 2. Okay. Then b plus c का डिनोमिनेटर 2 है, 90 का कुछ नहीं है तो 1 है. Then multiply this 2 by 2 2. So I have a cos 90 into 2 180.
सर आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है.
So 90 into 2 180. Then b plus c as it is, and the whole denominator is 2. पहले इसका डिनोमिनेटर 2 था. Now but we multiply this 90 into 2, this become 180. Now we know that sum of angles of triangle is equal to 180. So in the place of 180 we can write cos. In the place of 180 we can write a plus b plus c minus this is b plus c upon 2. Now cos, open the bracket, a plus b plus c minus b, then both signs change, minus c upon 2. Now b plus b minus cancel, c plus c minus cancel. So this become cos a upon cos a by 2. And RHS is cos a by 2 is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Sum solved. Next question is express sine 67 and plus cos 75. Sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. In terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 to 45. इसे एक्सप्रेस करना है 0 to 45 के बीच में कन्वर्ट करना है बस, दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं करना है. तो उसके लिए अगेन this property. So the place of sine just write cos 90 minus 67, and in the place of cos just write sine 90 minus 75. तो cos 90 minus 67 कितना होता है? अरे माइनस तो कर, मैं नहीं बोलने अब करने वाला. 90 minus 23.
सर 23 होता है.
23 degree. Okay. And 90 minus 75.
Sir, 15.
Okay, आगे 1 is 23, another is 15 in between 0 to 45 बोला था, हो गया 0 to 45, हो गया सम खत्म.